Welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll explore the impact of heat styling tools on your hair, why they can be damaging, and the right way to use them to minimize harm. The allure of heat styling. Heat styling tools like flat irons and curling wands offer quick and stunning results, making them popular choices for achieving different hairstyles. The downside. However, frequent use of heat styling tools can wreak havoc on your hair. Why heat can damage hair. Excessive heat can strip your hair of its natural moisture, leading to dryness, brittleness, and split ends. High temperatures can weaken the protein structure of your hair, causing it to lose its strength and elasticity. Proper use. Now, let's learn how to use heat styling tools properly to minimize damage. Heat protectant. Always apply a heat protectant spray to your hair before using any heat styling tool. This creates a barrier, reducing direct heat exposure. Right temperature. Adjust the tool to the right temperature setting for your hair type. Fine hair needs lower heat, while thicker hair can handle higher temperatures. Limit usage. Avoid daily use. Let your hair rest between styling sessions to recover. Quality tools. Invest in high-quality, ceramic, or tourmaline-coated tools. They distribute heat more evenly and are less damaging. Cool down. Let your hair cool down before restyling. This can help maintain your desired look without overusing heat. In conclusion, heat styling tools can be both a blessing and a curse for your hair. By following these proper usage tips, you can enjoy the versatility of these tools without compromising the health of your hair. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty and hair care advice. Stay tuned for my next video.